us see very important, that is electronic configuration of atoms or elements. Okay, so how to arrange it? There is a principle that is called as Aufbau principle. It is not the name of scientist. Most of the students thought that it is the name of the scientist. No, it is the meaning is nothing but building block. This is a German word, Aufbau, whose meaning is building block. How to arrange the orbitals. Actually, what this Aufbau principle states that in ground state there is increasing energy in the orbitals, or the energies of the orbital is in the increasing order should be arranged. So how the way it needs to be arranged? Let us see. Very simple. You know, first you need to write S. You write first S. Then you write S and P. Fine. Third you write S, P, D. Then fourth you write S, P, D, F. Next you write S, P, D, F, G. Like that we can write up to H. But with this we can able to write up to your around 30 atomic number configuration we can write it. Now once you write like this S, SP, SPD, SPDF. So easy. Okay. So now just give the numbering. First one 1. Second one you give second row as 2. Third row gives 3. Then fourth row you give the name as 4. Simple. Now just give the lines. So this is your first line. Now it will come here. Straight you connect. Now it will come to here. Fine. Now it will come to here. Over. So simple. Yes or no? So now you can see how it is going. It is like this. So if you write in sequence how it is coming, first you see 1s, then you see the lines. It is going to 2s, then it is going to 2p, then it is going to 3s, after 3s it is going to 3p, after 3p 4s, after 4s 3d, then after 3d 4p, after 3d 4p, then 4d, like that it will go on. And you should know that orbitals are arranged in their increasing order of energies. That is only Aufbau principle. What it states that the atoms in their orbitals, atoms is nothing but their electronic configuration, or electrons are arranged in their orbitals with increasing order of their energies. Fine. So with respect to the increasing orders you are arranging, in which state? In ground state, because there is another state called as excitation state. So in excitation state you are giving some extra energy so that the electrons will come out from their original orbital. It is not applicable to, it is applicable in ground state. Okay. So now this is the configuration you are getting from this diagram. Clear? Now let us start writing for elements. Okay. So you can take the snapshot. Okay. I'll rub it. Now let us start to write. Now I think all of you know the capacity of these orbitals. The S capacity is 2. P capacity is 6. D is 10. F is 14. Okay. This is your capacity. Now according to that you can arrange it. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 4d10. Clear? Because this is your capacity 2, 6, 10, 14. According to that only you are arranging. Clear? So let us start one by one. Let us start first with hydrogen. So hydrogen, you know its atomic number is 1. So what you will write? 1s1. Because 2 capacity, but you have only 1 electron. So 1s1. Next is helium. The atomic number is 2. So what you will write? 1s2. Because S is having maximum capacity 2 is present. So 1s2. Next go to third element. What is your third element? Lithium. So what will write? 1s2. Next is 2s2 it is coming, but we have only 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Clear? Next go to fourth, that is your beryllium. Then what will write? 1s2, 2s2. Clear? Next is your boron. Boron is 5. So 1s2, 2s2. Next is 2p6, but we have only 1. 2 plus 2, 4, it is 1. So 2p1. Clear? Now after boron it is carbon 6. So what will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. Okay. After carbon we have nitrogen. So 7. What will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Clear? Next is oxygen 8. What will write? For oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Clear ma? Next is after oxygen is your fluorine. So 9. So what will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. After fluorine, sodium. What will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. This is your sodium. Sorry, after fluorine it is neon, not sodium. Neon. Next is your sodium. That is 11. So what will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. It is over. So next is 3s1. Then after sodium what will write? Magnesium, atomic number 12. So what will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Okay, up to here over. Then after magnesium, aluminium 13. What will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. After aluminium, silicon 14. What will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p2. Fine. After silicon, chlorine 15. So what will write? No, after silicon it is phosphorus 15. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. Okay. After phosphorus it is sulfur 16. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. After sulfur, chlorine 17. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. After chlorine it is argon. So what will write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Okay. After argon, now the next element is potassium. That is 19. So what will write? Directly you can write for argon up to here. So we can write argon. Then after 3p6, what it is? 4s1. Clear? Then similarly calcium 20. So what will write? Argon 4s2. Simple. Next after calcium, scandium 21. So argon you write, then 4s2, then after 4s2, 3d1. Clear? Now after scandium we have titanium, that is 22. So what will write? Argon 4s2, 3d2. After titanium, vanadium 23. So argon along with that 4s2, 3d3. After vanadium you have chromium, that is 24. What you will write? Argon 4s2, 3d4. It is wrong. It is exception. Remember, it is exception. Why? Because see your d orbital having 10 electrons. But how the arrangement is nothing but it will be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In every first it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It will fill first 5. After filling 5, it will start from the beginning again to fill if they have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this way they arrange. So in half filled state, it is more stable. That's what, when it is having 3d4 and 4s2, it will take one electron from the s orbit. So it will write argon 4s1 3d5. This is exception. Similarly, copper also exception. Let us see. After chromium, you have manganese, that is 25. So argon, it is 4s2 3d5. It is in stable state, no issues at all. Then next is iron, that is 26. So argon 4s2 3d5. After 3d, what you have? 3d, it will go on up to 10. So 3d6. Then after iron, you have cobalt. Cobalt is 27. So argon 4s2 3d7. After cobalt, nickel, that is 28. So argon 4s2 3d8. Then next you go for next element, that is copper. The copper atomic number is 29. So what you will write? Argon 4s2. According to this sequence, it will be 3d9. But it is wrong. The exception, why? Because it wants to always get the complete stability or half stability. Okay. So for that, it wants 10 electrons in their orbits. So to fill that 10, it will take from 4s orbital 1 electron. So what is the correct configuration for it? Argon 4s1 3d10. This is exception, which is copper and chromium. Mark it, around it. Then next is after copper, zinc 30. So argon 4s2 3d10. Okay, clear? If you want another shortcut, I will tell you how the way to remember this sequence. If you are not able to recall, but for exam point of view, if you are going to write your board exams, then you need to write your normal this sequence. You have to show in terms of diagram, then you have to write the configuration. If they are asking only 2 marks question of write the configuration of this element, then in such a case, I will tell you one shortcut how to write it. Just remember this shortcut method. What is that shortcut method? Is nothing but, remember, school, Delhi public school, Delhi public school, then, school, public school, then Delhi public school, then you write fantastic Delhi public school, Delhi, public school, public school, Delhi public school, fantastic Delhi public school, Now just mark 1s first. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 you mark it first. Once you mark it, after 1s, wherever s is present, serially you just mark it. 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s. Over. Now come to 2p. 2p here. So 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p, 7p. Over. Now this is 3d. So after 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, over. Then now it is 4f. So it will be 5f. Now you can check the sequence. Same. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, then 3d, 4p. Okay. The same sequence. Whatever we are following, the same sequence it is also following. So you can follow this shortcut method to remember this sequence. Okay. It's up to you. If you have anything, please give the comment. Okay, students, take care.